Today, as we stand underneath the sky of freedom, we are reminded of the courage, sacrifice, and dreams that truly shaped our nation.
From every battlefield to every classroom, from every freedom fighter to every citizen.
Our journey has been written in courage, unity, and hope.
We are not celebrating a day, we are honoring a legacy.
A legacy that reminds us freedom is not given, it's earned.
And once earned, it should be respected.
Today, we hold that legacy in our work, in our values.
And in every contribution we make across every state, every branch, and every role.
Freedom also means the freedom to dream,
to build, to innovate, to move forward together.
On this day, let's honor that freedom by being bold in our ideas,
Responsible in our actions, and united in our behavior.
Let this Independence Day be a reminder to embrace change, to foster innovation,
and to uphold the spirit of collaboration that has driven our nation forward.
Together, we can create a future filled with opportunities for all.